What we're concerned about is how to ensure that the economy remains stable, that jobs are protected, and that if even possible, more jobs are created. The President has expressed very serious concern about the problems that may be associated with the lockdown. Many of our people work for a daily wage. They have to go out to work and all of that every day. So we have to think in terms of how to ensure that that we're able to give them some succor during a period when they are not able to work. So some of those issues are some of the issues that Mr. President wanted me to discuss fully with him.